Hello everyone, let me start with a simple truth. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry said that, and he was right. We've all been there, setting a goal full of hope only to feel lost when it's time to act. That's where structure steps in. Structured goal setting turns chaos into clarity, makes teams accountable, and drives productivity. It's not just a system, it is the difference between success and failure. In this lecture, you will see how structured goals increase productivity, understand how they make accountability easier, learn how they bring clarity to complex operations. Let's talk about the benefits of structured goals. The first one is productivity. Structure gives meaning to goals. It narrows the focus, cutting out distractions. Without it, people waste time on tasks that lead nowhere. Take a tech company launching a new software. If the goal is vague, like make this product popular, what happens? One team markets, another tweaks features, no one agrees on priorities, and progress stalls. Now, make the goal clear. Increase downloads by 20% in 3 months through targeted ads. Suddenly, everyone knows their role. Time isn't wasted. Focus replaces confusion. As Laura Vanderkam said, when you know your priorities, you spend less time being busy and more time being productive. When we have accountability, keeping everyone on track. Without accountability, goals fall apart. Structured goals fix that. They assign clear roles, leaving no room for blame or confusion. Picture a restaurant trying to improve service. If the goal is loose, make customers happier. Problems start, complaints arise, and fingers point. No one takes charge. However, a structured goal, reduce customer complaints by 15% in 6 months through staff training, changes everything. The manager handles training, staff learns new skills, everyone knows their job. Accountability isn't just about taking responsibility, it's about knowing exactly what's expected and following through. Now let's talk about clarity, bringing order to chaos. In business, clarity wins. Structured goals eliminate guesswork and keeps everyone moving in the same direction. Imagine an international shipping company. Their vague goal is to improve delivery times. Sounds good, right? But teams interpret it differently. One works on faster packaging, another looks at new routes. Efforts scatter. Now, make the goal structured. Reduce delivery time from 5 days to 3 by optimizing shipping routes. Suddenly, every team aligns. Chaos turns to order. Clarity just doesn't make goals easier to follow, it saves resources, avoids wasted effort, and unites teams. Goals are a journey. Structured goals are the map. They show the destination, the path to take, and the supplies needed. Without structure, you get lost. With it, you stay the course. Pick a goal, personal or business. Write down how structuring it could improve your chances of success. Structured goals work. They make people productive. They keep everyone accountable and they bring clarity to the messiest situations. Without structure, goals are just dreams. With it, they're achievable plans. Why do structured goals work better than vague ones? Have you seen structure help you succeed? Tell us in the comment section. That is it for this lecture. See you in the next one.